What's up? What's up, guys? Living this like this was never better than the summer of 2002. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's another night to move the market. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Tell me how you doing. How is your weekend? How is your weekend? How are you doing? Basically, tell me, how did you spend your weekend? Hassan, good to have you. How are you doing, my darling? How are you doing? Chef Pamesh, good to have you. Kush, I see ya. Rod, good to have you. John, I see ya. Oh my God, you guys are just on time, Yeah, keep marking your attendance. I'm so happy to have you all. I'm surely so happy to have you all. Let us see what we have here. We want each other, I'm taking back. Oh my God, guys. We are going to anticipate a beautiful night. Our first trade. We take an air. Oh my God. Oh my God. So let's move. Let's move. Thank you. I love you too, guys. I love you too. Jerome, good to have you. Good to have you. Professional pro man, I see ya. Mohammed, good to have you. Raphael, Divine, it's always nice to have you guys. I'm glad you're marking your attendance so early. Yeah, we are so locked in. Someone comment locked in. Let us see how this goes. Okay, I am trading binary options, guys. Wow. Okay, we finally recover from our first L we took. Yeah, I am on Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar chart. Yeah, tonight we have started with currency pairs. Teacher Lee, I see you. Oh my God, you guys. I'm so happy today. And I know this excitement, honestly, it is coming from seeing you all locked in so early. So let us see how it goes. Oh my God, we get taken out again. Oh my God, oh my God. Guys, let us look for a good entry. Let's see how this goes. Okay, already moving in our direction. Okay, we recover again. We recover it. So let's see if we can get another entry. Cameroon, good to see you. Aliata Seva, good to have you. Oh my. Hey. We are attacking the market with a fresh mind. Tell me, guys, how have you spent your day today? Someone tell me how you spent your day today. Yeah. We risked it all and we locked in some good profits. Now we can move for the night. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your weekend? How did you spend your weekend? Someone tell me, did you look at your charts? My Saturday has been slow. It has been slow. Yes, I didn't really get to do a lot. I really didn't get to do a lot, guys. It was just me by myself. Teacher D, you spent it sleeping. Okay, I'm assuming you had a tiresome week, so you had to take some time off, which is very okay. We just had a lecture about risk management and you risk it all. Guys, the markets are crazy, and if you're not willing to take the risks sometimes, then is it trading? But risking it all, guys, is for professional traders. I had to make some recovery entries, and it's only natural for a trader to do that. Hassan is asking, was I missing him? Of course, Amora is missing you guys. Beer. So let's move. Like, guys, I told you, with trading, you have to know when to take the risks. For example, if you spot a good entry or you are really anticipating some crazy move happening in your direction, it's free to really sometimes take on the risk. No risk, no Ferrari. We all know that. Devi, good to have you. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Let us move. Cameron, tell me, what is your risk management? Since you are talking about risk management, how do you handle your risk in the market, especially when you are in a state of growing your account? Tibora from Budapest, good to see you. Watch cleaning out. Very lively in it. I mean, that's true. Guys, it's a fresh day. Tell me, how do you manage your risk while you're in the market? How do you handle your risk when you're in the market? Okay, I don't have good risk management. It's supposed to be only 10%, but I always end up risking it more. Oh my god. But I know it gets crazy, especially when you get emotionally attached to the market. So guys, try not to get emotionally attached, especially on your entries, because that's where risking it all sometimes comes from. And if you're doing it consecutively, it is not nice. It's not nice. You shouldn't be risking like that. I don't know, guys, if you always have this experience. Actually, when I was still trading forex, that is when actually I really used to do some crazy market indiscipline. where I would risk our entire account. But trust me, your heart would be racing so much. I don't know if it's the same for you guys when your heart is racing, pounding. I mean, you cannot breathe. So, why should you put yourself under all that pressure? It is better to take risk that is not going to put you under extreme pressure. I mean, that's true. I try to be and risk. Yes, guys, if your account has a certain level of capital, you can increase on your entries, but there is no point of taking more risk when your account is so. You shouldn't like take 80% of risk on your account, guys. It's going to be frustrating. It's going to put you under a certain level of pressure that most of us cannot take. Is choosing a currency pair a factor when trading? Yes, it can be a factor depending on how comfortable you want to trade. A Then I'm on the floor class. I know that chest can itch, your body can pain, you can sweat. So really, guys, you shouldn't be putting yourself under such pressure when you are trading. And the other thing also, guys, don't trade money that you're not willing to lose, because trading is so risky. Yeah, don't trade with your last money. Believe me, you will not have clarity whenever you're trading with your last money. Trading is so risky. I know we always should take the risk, but you should also have some risk management to your trading to avoid dying of a heart attack or sweating or pressure. Like, guys, how pressure comes. So, Cameron, I get your experience of clutching your chest. Your win is getting better, though profits are inconsistent. No, actually, the more you are really consistent in the market, you reach a point in your trading and everything is just consistent. That is the beauty about being consistent in the market. It reaches a point when everything makes sense and actually it is not hard anymore. You can easily look at your chart and get a move. Many people who make just so that I feel safer. And imagine, guys, if you are trading the same, for example, if you are trading the same pairs for like a week, it gets to a level whereby you can actually be understanding their movement. You can easily tell if yesterday the market was trending upwards, probably it was correcting something. So the next day you can anticipate its movement. So that is the beauty of consistent. But imagine if you skip a day, then you come the next day, it may not make sense, but if you're looking at something over and over again, I mean, every day you're looking at the same chart or the same pairs, with time you start getting to understand their price movement. Prakash, good to have you. Divine, you have learned for almost 2 years. I think now you're not learning. You just need to focus on being consistent and use the knowledge that you have, to trade. Gadjutek, good to have you. US Daily Vibes. Oh my. Guys, my candles are 5 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. There's a link in the description for the broker I'm using. This is a trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Let us catch on good vibes. Oh, take it, girl, that you never change. Set your eyes wide open. One wide they open. I'm not playing around with my life, no reason. Why shouldn't I be bringing at least 20K a week? Actually, it is very much possible. Guys, with this thing of trading, you just have to really put in a work consistently for like 2 months, consistently showing up. Believe me, results are so you can start seeing results. But for us, let us catch on this continuation. Okay, it has locked in well. Let's see. One, two. Okay, finally the market is heading back to its direction. Mahin, good to have you. Urez, good to have you. Christian, good to have you. Guys, we are selling again. You can see structure is bearish. So let us see how it goes. Sun is out, catch a grenade for you. Oh my, let's see. Okay, finally getting some movement in our direction. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? How did you spend your day today? What were you basically doing today? Okay, someone is saying, how can I understand all those small candles? So confusing. Guys, you're not supposed to understand all the candles that are appearing on your charts. You're only supposed to understand the ones that are going to make sense to you. For example, we are in a bearish trend from now. So if you are on a bearish trend, you have to understand market structure. It is market moving downwards, breaking previous lows. So what you look out for is understanding a pullback, understanding a continuation when it's going to happen. So you look out for those candles. You do not have to understand every candle that is printed on the chart. You just have to look for the few things that you have to know. That's the use of a strategy. If you have a trading strategy, you're not going to just look at the charts to understand everything. You just come to the charts to look out for things that are in line with your strategy. This is binary options trading. EPENDNT. This for all the girls that live stress free. This for all the girls on a mission like me. 2 steps ahead like C. Fitness and fitting bad like we. I'm he, I'm she, I'm you know he. Like hug my cheeks. What I look like. All right. Gym chats work, then watch Ivy. Yeah. Actually, if you have a repetitive, boring life, I feel like you'll be on the right course of life. Your life shouldn't be so hyper. You have to follow a certain routine. Yeah. Like guys, my routine is so crazy that in that I have specific days. I also see specific guys. I do not just randomly meet people or my friends. I also have specific days I hang out with. If I'm hanging out with my family or other friends, I also have days. So it's okay to have a routine. That's a sign that your life is in order. This girl goes like INDEPENDNT. This for that girl around the world. So, guys, it's okay to have a. Actually, guys, tell me your life routines. Tell me how do you spend your days. Do you have things that you do on a routine basis? Because me, honestly, everything in my life is routine. I don't do random stuff anymore unless otherwise. Of course, you have to have those few things. Grandlas, good to have you. Guys, if you want to learn my strategy, just ask me any trading question that you want to know on this stream. And also my channel, I have videos about my strategy and very more are dropping soon. So if you've not logged in, you better subscribe already so that you don't miss out when I drop a new video. Guys around the world. And guys, while you're here, you're free to ask me any trading question, but please do not beg. Yeah, this stream is entirely for learning. Yeah, so focus on learning. You're free to learn anything and ask me anything. Yeah, let us just stick to that. School things. All right. Guys, we locked in. And guys, my strategy is pure price action. So every trade that I'm executing right now, it is in line with pure price action. And if you don't know the key points in pure price action, it's understanding the market trends. Are you in an uptrend, downtrend? Understanding market structure. Is market breaking previous highs? Is market taking out previous lows? And I also refine entries with candlestick patterns. Am I seeing a pin bar in my direction? Am I seeing an engulfing candlestick pattern? Have I seen an inside bar? Do you mind? Basically, that's what pure price action, guys, entails of. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh. Guys, it's a weekend. Let me hope you're enjoying yourselves. But as you're enjoying, you have to lock in so that when I'm explaining a move, you don't miss out. So right now, these entries, I'm just trying to catch on a continuation. The market is clearly bullish. It pulled back. Then I executed trades in line with the trend. As a trader, it is easier for you to follow the trend than going against it. But also going against the trend is not like it's it's a crime. If you really get an opportunity to catch on a pullback, there is no reason why you should hesitate. So that's what we are doing right now. Oh my god. The continuation is almost catching up. We get taken out. Oh my god. Okay, and the pullback is still happening. So let us see. Let us wait. Yeah, you wanna take a for my away. Guys, you can see right now the previous low has been taken out. So this is a sign that you can anticipate bears in the market. Structure is shifting and we have had a candle closure. So let us see if the market is actually going to shift bearish at this level. Up in my head. Let us see if structure is shifting already. Okay. Damn, we get taken out. Our entries are taken out. So let's see. Two coffee store for me too. There's a mama. I can be a crazy, crazy guys. But I'm still anticipating. I'm still anticipating sellers, but let us see how it goes. Okay, it's like we are having buyers back in the market. First when we got to small May. If you have a question, guys, you're free to ask. You're free to ask. This is a trading assembly. Ask any question that you want to know. Any trading question. I don't mind. Okay, yeah. Tell me what to do, tell me what to do, tell me what to do when you see a bad bitch in front of you, baby. Assume the position. Guys, just lock in on the chat songs when I'm explaining an entry or the market movement, you can easily catch on. Alright. Do you mind? Buyers are still showing market strength, so let's see. Traders in the building, tell me, do you believe trading is about luck or it's about skill? So whenever you're trading, guys, you based on luck or you based on skill? I want to know. Or actually, do you have a moment in your trading where luck, you just executed a trade purely based on luck? It's like so deep, it's like so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got it, baby, ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. You keep it 17, no violence. You be staying okay, yeah. Ain't never got you know it being modest. It's only a beginner or a failed trader who can call trading luck. But actually, guys, don't go with such mentality that trading is about luck. So let us first increase our risk and move, because we have increased our account. Trading has never been about luck. So if you're not willing to put in the time to grow your skill, you're going to continue donating your capital to the markets. And traders that are really focused to trade with their skill and discipline, they will be bagging your profits, your capital. That's true, Cameron. You have to have the skill. Trading has never been about luck. Let no one lie to you guys. And by the way, the trading skill, you have to build it or grow it with time. And the more time you put into learn, the shorter your learning and the shorter your learning will be, and your skill, you'll get it quicker than someone who is taking a lot of time to learn. Hakeem, good to have you. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Play no game. Play no games. Freaky. I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach you. Damn, that green candle took me out. Seems like today the market is heavy on being bullish. Do you all agree with me? So let us see. Anima TV, good to have you. Good to have you, my friend. Good to have you. Trinity Arts, I see ya. So let's move. Okay, yeah. Okay, we are really catching on some good pullback here. Let us see. Buyers have been really strong, so really taking this pullback entry is some crazy way of taking risk. Buyers have been so strong. Let's I'm seeing sellers have broke the previous low, and whenever you are in an uptrend and you get a pullback and sellers break the previous low, because in an uptrend it's only highs that are anticipated to be taken out, you can start thinking of bears being in the market. So let us see if it's going to be like that. But guys, whenever you get a break of structure or you're getting a signal that the market could be shifting structure, of course you do not rush to start, because in this case we have been having a bearish pullback, and the candles closed below the previous low. You do not just start rushing to anticipate that the market immediately is going to shift structure. It could consolidate for some time, then it switches structure. So let us see. Yeah, especially if you're a beginner, you really do not have to be an aggressive trader. Being aggressive in trading, it needs traders that have really got some time in the market, or who have been consistently in the market. Because you can see now we had got a candle closure, but it's like buyers are still strong. So let's see. It's like we are getting now movements from sellers. So let's keep adding more sales. Guys, the things I'm sharing, that is what really can be going on in my mind whenever I'm trading, and I'm also analyzing the market. Okay, we are finally getting movement from sellers. Let's keep selling. Okay, this has moved crazy good for us. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know. I may come, I may go, I don't know. Stay in your dress because it's safe too. Okay, sellers have finally made the move. Got me too. How long did it take you to get this good? I have my experience in trading. This is my 4th year. My first 2 years I was trading, but I wasn't really that good. I just locked in. I chose to lock in, guys. And with trading, understanding market structure, it is really important. It's really going to help you on making decisions, especially when it comes to your entries. You just watch the market and wait and patiently wait for moves to come your way. And like reminders, I tell you, don't just look at the charts, guys. Have a reason why you're looking at the market. Have something you're really looking out for. Don't just look at the candles. Look at the market, trying to understand structure, trying to understand direction, trying to understand candlestick patterns. That's how you're really going to help you on making entries when you have valid reasons why you're taking those entries. A Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. We are here to learn and also catch on, share a trading experience. On your fourth year, did you start looking? Actually, guys, pure price action was the first thing like I really got to learn as a trader when I was starting out. Because whenever we are all starting out, to be honest, what do we first learn? Okay, you get to understand that the market is made of bears and bulls, that is buyers and sellers. You get to understand candlestick, that green means buying, red means selling. But in the long run, you can also understand that the market is not determined by candlestick colors. Candlestick colors can change anytime and it shouldn't affect your trading mentality. Then we also understand market trend, that there is a bullish market and a bearish market. But the problem with us traders, we keep on learning things and we think that the problem is the information we have. Yet actually it's never about the information. The information we have is always right and valid. It is just the discipline to practice what we really learn on the markets. That is the problem where it comes. Sometimes you get some profits, then you start over risking. Sometimes you take losses, then you want revenge trades. And those are the things that really affect us as traders. So candlestick patterns, market direction, and market structure are the first things really I got to understand. But the things I share now are the deeper levels of market structure, because I tell you guys, with market structure, it's not about highs and lows. It is about focusing on the strong highs and the strong lows. And the secret with market structure is understanding that you need a candle closure for the market to, for the break of structure to be valid. If you don't get a candle closure, okay, it could be break of structure, but it could not be strong enough, because it takes a lot of strength for a candle to break structure and closes above or below that line. So the things I share here are the mechanical things that you should always look out for whenever you're trading. Okay, how do I go start practicing as a beginner without worrying about low risk? Trading is risky. Taking the risk is part of our game, and losses are part of the game, actually. If you're not willing to take on the risk, then you're really not willing to be a trader, because trading is all about taking the risk. Hey, I'm sitting pretty. I love the Kelsey, and I didn't realize you can use it to find fair value gaps. Easy. All right, but nation. All right. Oh. Yeah, actually today I was making my playlist and I was like, I know this song, I should add it for you actually. Can you imagine? I knew that you like it and I decided to add it for you. I mean, these are two. Guys, if you ask a question and I don't see it, you can ask again because I was trying to read someone's question and it has gone. My day has been good. It was just slow. I didn't do a lot today. Okay. My day, guys, has been good. It was slow. It is not one of those days where I have to do like 1,000 errands. It was just a simple day, just chills and doing some work. You have to always keep an updated mindset because why not? You feel special because why not? You know, guys, how much I love you and I would make all of you feel special because why not? Guys, that the platform I'm using is Pocket Options. Yeah, let me hope I've answered you. Andrew, I'm going to answer. I am really going to answer you. Please first give me some time. I'm gonna get to your question. The market is open because I'm trading OTC market. It's open 24/7. We don't get limited to be limited by time here. All right, someone comment locked in because that's what we're doing. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know because why not? Couple for my day ones. Someone asked me the list of things that you need when you are a trader. Yes. So Rod, let me hope you're still present. Guys, for trading, honestly, there is no special list of things that you need, but you really need to have a strategy at the end of the day. You have to have something that is going to that you have to look out for whenever you open your trading device. Whenever you open it, you have to have something that you're really looking out for on that chart. Do not just look out for candles. So the first thing you need as a trader is a strategy. Basically, that's that. Before actually, guys, me 1 hour to my trading, I always prepare myself. Yeah, I really do prepare myself and I get to do things I love. Maybe I listen to a favorite song that is going to really put my moods, that is going to put me in a good mood. Since trading is also about handling our emotions, we need to deal with our psychology. So you have to have something that is calming you down, and you're not going to be distracted. For me, in my case, I could listen to a favorite song. So whenever I'm looking at the charts, I'm already in high spirits and in a good mood. So that I do not also get so emotionally attached whenever I'm trading, especially to losses. It's only natural. We are human. Yeah, you can take some trade and it closes in an L and it may ruin your mood. So you have to do something that calms you down. The next thing I do is market analysis. Guys, even when you're not trading, look at your charts. As a trader, it is really nice. It is really nice to always look at your charts, regardless. I understand some of you could be having work and all that, but get some time to look at the charts. So that when you start your trading session, you really have somewhere to start from. It's not like opening a blank page. You really know something. You can anticipate something. And it also helps you build discipline, because if you plan to be to take trading as your personal, like as you do, like you are full-time trader, you need to have that discipline. You have to build that discipline of looking at your charts. You know, look at us right now. Distance. Actually, guys, me whenever today I was actually I was looking through my things. You know, I have a bag somewhere in my room where I have all my trading books, everything I've learned. Somehow today I was looking for something and I randomly looked at it. But when I was checking it, actually, guys, I saw something like my what used to be my trading plan back then. And guys, like for a trading plan, let me tell you, if you do not have a trading plan is something that it is like a piece of paper that you could have, or you could have like a book. It depends on what you prefer to write. But in your trading plan, you can write what I have to look out for in the market. You can include those things on your trading plan. Now, for example, me myself in my trading plan, I first understand the trend. I understand structure, and I also have reasons. If I'm taking a pullback trade, yes, what do I look out for? If I'm taking a continuation trade, what I look out for. Guys, if you set those things, actually whenever you're going to trade, you're going to find yourself looking out for exactly those things when you are in the market. So if you set your trading plan, you have to put it there. In your trading plan, you can also add there your risk management plan. How much loss am I taking within that day? How many how many losses can I take in that day? How much of my capital am I risking? Of course, with risk management, it is it is really, I feel like it's the hardest thing to master. So it's something you really have to practice a lot to add it in your trading. Yeah, but you include it in your trading plan. And you can also include your time you want to be trading. It shouldn't be so random also. For example, you just wake up any random, guys. You can also include the time you prefer to trade, and you give the reason why you're comfortable around that time. So after listing those things, guys, even your brain is going to be ready. You know, our brain, it is about training it, then it will adjust to those things. So basically, that is what I really do with my trading. Try to create a trading plan that you look out every day. Actually, with your trading plan, you're supposed to also look for it every day. Every day you look at your trading plan. I wanna be like most girls. So let me hope, Rod, I've answered you. Guys, I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Yeah, trading shouldn't be so complicated. Don't complicate things. The easier actually it is, the better it gets. I am using the indicator with its default settings. My friend Kakar. Danny, Dean, Dean, Dean Investment. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Of course, more videos I'm going to drop them on my channel about my strategy, and I also already have some. So subscribe. So I tell him I never really like his friend, and his guy is calling me a bitch again. Excuse me. But he wants me in a kitchen with a dinner plate. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. You make it look easy. Honestly, of course, actually, trading is easy for a beginner and someone who has really become profitable. But in between there, guys, I know trading can seem so hard. I know in between there it can seem so hard and you would have a lot of questions to ask yourself. That's the truth. But what makes trading easier, it is when you're consistent. I think I should stop mentioning that line of consistency. I feel like I've over talked about it. But if you're not consistent in trading, guys, it's really going to be hard. Imagine it is always different if you're looking at your charts every day, every week, than for someone who looks at their charts imagine once a day in a week, and someone who does it 7 days in a week. Obviously, it gets easier for someone who does it every day than someone who does it once in a while. Looking at my history. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel and face. It's time to feel and face. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel and face. You know I'm bad at love. Zami, I don't know which era you're talking about. Which era are you talking about? Looking at my history. My strategy I'm using, it is price action. It is pure price action, which consists of understanding market direction, understanding market structure, and understanding candlestick patterns for more refined entries. Found you. I fill your cup until it overflow. I was afraid to leave you on your own. And if they love them, fuck them all. Does it ever get lonely? Structure is so bullish, guys. I love looking at such structure. It's so easy to understand, and it is easier for you to make trading decisions with it. This is some bullish run. He said, I catch you if you fall. Please do not spam comment. It is really not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Please don't spam comment. Do. Guys, I don't know, Nasil, you're calling yourself a beginner, but you are at what level? If it is 1 year in trading, please, you're not a beginner anymore. You're not a beginner anymore. You just need to log in with the information that you already know. Actually, if you are 1 year in trading, one thing I can tell you is to just be consistent. Get a few, like 3 things to look out for in the market and consistently do it every now and then and see if you can see results. Tell me how it feels sitting out there, feeling so high, but if I don't way to hold me, put you out there. Alright, let us see what sellers have for us. I need no companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't got time, don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't. Nesha, it's good to have you. Dang Konga. Good to have you. Good to have you. What you're asking is because of YouTube time lag. That's why it happens like that. Do you have Discord? Not yet, but I have a Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can reach out to me and you can also join the Telegram channel so that you do not miss out or anything when I make a communication. Body like a summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Guys, let us first look in our profits. Then we get into the donations. But you know I know what to do with it. I know what to do. Look at that, yo, I'm talking that. Let's see if you got for it. If this shit ain't with your best friend, then let me be a diamond. You know you feel like for a press play. Just keep that as a wine. Love it, I grab it, the middle of your hips. I need no companion. All right, guys, Hassan is inviting me to Maldives. I mean, do you want to join tomorrow to 30th? Oh my, that's like a whole week. Hassan, we are going to talk. We'll talk. Guys, we are ready for the donations and we are getting ready for our first participants. Reminder, guys, donations are not financial investments, are just purely for trading purposes. Yeah, they're just for trading purposes. So if you want to take part in on the donations, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. And I realize actually some of the guys do not understand the use of donations. Guys, donations are for people who want me to trade for them. Yeah. What we do. Excuse me, guys. Let us. I don't need no money to be savage. When I'm on that molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch stolen. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no molly to be savage. But when I'm on the molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a. What do you mean, guys? Rod, you're already wishing me a good holiday that I've not yet concluded on taking. Thank you. Oh my, these candles are really crazy here. Let us see if we can catch on a mover. Wow, that's some big candle actually. Hey. Savage. To X Rakal, I will get into the details of pure price action. Let us first look in. Let us first get these items for our first contestant for tonight. I'm the definition of a bandit. Took your wife from all his hands and still ain't saying shit. Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like these 30-38, this bitch are damaged. Poppin' with it, okay, trick out when you land with it. I let you drive inside my bros where they been land with it. I roll this bitch, I open up a can with it. Like on the stove, I make it jump out my hand in it. I don't need no molly to be savage. When I'm on that molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch stolen. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no molly to be savage. Savage. When I'm on the molly, I feel savage. My girl, the definition of a bad bitch stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit. So Jerome, is it the sign that I should leave the hairstyle? Because I like it. I mean, I just love it. Guys, we are waiting for an entry. If we catch on it, then we can move. I knew you were. And only your enemy, your enemy. Yeah, you should know what you Running for. Hey, guys, it's a weekend. It's a weekend, and I'm loving this song. Walk away. All right, we are in for our first attempt, guys. So you wanna play with magic? Okay, guys, type congratulations. Type congratulations to our first participant. It has moved well for us. Someone type congratulations. And guys, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Yeah, everything goes to the participant. So that's what we're doing right now. Everything goes to the participants. Teether. Boy, you should know what you're going for. I'm coming to me at the dark hole. I don't get you. Sweet the dawn, I see ya. Hannah, good to have you. Good to have you. Westmere, good to see you. Rian, Dan, have any strategy course to learn? No, my darling. I'm already sharing anything you want to know about trading here on this stream, and I'm dropping more videos about my strategy. So if you have not subscribed, please do so that you don't miss out on anything. I can tell you my creation, yeah, my boy. That's what I be on. Guys, we are on for our next participant, so let us look in and see what we have. Don't be running from me. Get whatever from me. And the real she makes you should keep her nails done and the wig fit. She real good. But we still flex. Ain't gonna harm me, yeah. I can chill, yo. Oh my god, guys, we're already having some crazy kind of against us. Damn. Oh my god, we get taken out on first attempt. Oh my god. Let us refund and do it again, guys. Whenever I take an L on first attempt, I refund and try again. And a weekly. She will be. Jerome, why do you think it's hard? Why do you think it's hard? The market went crazy again. It starts real hard. That's why I'm always telling you guys, you have to be willing to take the risk because trading itself is risky. Sometimes you execute a trade when everything is lined with your strategy and still get taken out. A No, 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 no. I don't agree with you, Jerome, on that. I don't agree with you on that. Because, guys, actually, you say the understanding pocket option. Pocket option is just a broker. Now, when you answer that, it's like you're talking about binary options. But regardless, the market, understanding the market is uniquely different from using the broker. Long ago. And guys, I believe honestly with trading, because now someone is saying you have to first learn forex. No, actually, you can start with binary options and just be a binary options trader. The goal is just to understand the market and understanding the key requirements that are needed for any trader. That is understanding the type of the markets. There are three types of markets. There is a bullish market, bearish market, and a sideways market. Understanding the participants of the market, which are only two, that is buyers and sellers. The trading term for buyers is bulls rather, and the trading term for sellers, it is bears. Long ago. So guys, then the next thing you understand is market moves in a form of a structure. We do not move. The market does not move as a straight line. You know how graphs do appear. Market moves in structures, higher highs and higher lows, and lower highs and lower lows. For both higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend, lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend. So basically, it's all about understanding that you don't need really to have a background of forex trading to really trade binary options. You can just be a trader that started with binary options and you really started with that. So guys, don't complicate things. Actually, with trading, it's all about not complicating things. And you should also have the spirit that really wants to trade. If you really don't want to trade, please don't take part. And you should also have a probabilistic mindset that trading, you'll never get 100% profit. The key is to make sure that your wins are greater than your losses. But you also have to understand that So basically, for all beginners, I believe that is the basis you really need as a trader to start. Hey guys, oh my god. We got some big car. Oh my god, we get taken out. Buyers have really given us some crazy candle there and took us on our last final attempt. Oh my god. I am sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Let us move on to our next guys. With the when I'm trading donations, participants agree that we use 100% of the account. We use it 100. We will be risking it 100%. That's part of the donation rules. Markets are closed on weekends for people who are not trading OTC market, but OTC market is open 24/7. We are not limited by time here, my darling. Trevor, good to have you. Good to have you. Where have you been? I guess you are locked in somewhere. Where have you been? Salty, good to have you. Hey, Street Warrior, good to have you. Good to have you. Cool, good to have you. Guys, let us look out for more and more moves. We only got three attempts for this participant. Wow, this moved so fast. Let us look out for another one. Okay. I'm glad you're doing something. The watchers, there's a link in the description for the broker that I'm using. J's on my feet. Hey, J's on my feet. All right. All right, guys. Honestly, today is such a beautiful day for me. I'm so much in high spirits. I don't know if it's the same for you. Someone tell me how you're feeling about today. Hey. That was really so close. Beautiful. Second attempt has gone well. You know me now, cause I got them big bread. Come get your money now. I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve bread. I'm gon' front me some peas, had to get birds back. We came up on dirty money, I can get a bird. Your day is moving well, Hannah. You're free, guys, to ask any. You're free to ask any trading question that you wanna know. This is our trading assembly, guys. We're already at sharing trading tips. Yeah, we're already sharing trading tips, and so you're free to ask anything, Trevor. Guys, I'm trading binary options. That is the kind of trading I'm trading. Yeah. Hey. Guys, for all those that are asking about trading, ask all your trading questions that you want to know on this stream. And if you want to learn, there are videos on my channel that you can watch, and more are actually dropping very soon. So it's all about locking in the channel and you wait for the videos. Okay, can we have someone type congratulations? 3 attempts are done. Yeah, someone type congratulations. Someone type congratulations. Little friend. Teacher Lee, Teresa, good to have you. She ain't going where I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like a boss to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And all the money nigga where they supposed to pay. Oh, the house go to me. Like chicks in the pig like supposed to be. Oh, that's how I'm supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to pay. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to pay. Everything look like I'm supposed to be. Pull up to the club and go up. It's not my fault. She wanna know me. Do you take confirmation from other time frame, guys? I only take confirmation on this time frame. Yeah, just if I'm looking out for other time frames and I'm doing market analysis, I'm just trying to understand market direction and the overall market structure. But confirmations for entries, I only take them on a lower time frame or on my execution time frame. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh. Rotex. I only do training on this channel and the stream. Please stop spam commenting. I don't do mentorship, guys. It all happens on the stream, maybe in future, but for now it's just me sharing my trading experience. You're free to ask anything here. If y'all do come close to me, you can run around till it goes to me. I'm like, go ahead, your boy show to me. But it gotta eat booty like groceries. Damn. This really went crazy again in stars. Let us lock in now. Let us refine and try again now. She ain't going where it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. Yay! I make fluid. Cool. This is binary options trading. Basically, fundamental news does not affect us. Yeah, does not impact us in any way. I know they don't the covers, and I keep it on the cover, cause I don't get sensitive. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy. My little mama nasty. I see the pussy through the pains. She tastes like candy. She good like Nefertiti. All my little mama sing crazy. And we be shopping through the same. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off in it, you don't gotta cut to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. You should know to Celine, it's show you to the side. Tell it to me, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, no kissing on your neck, so rocking on your butt, so massaging your breast. I ain't wanna give you no baby just yet, so I back down and let it on your breast. I put you in an Uber. You to your bed the very next day. Hey, oh my god, you have some good run here. Eh. Damn. Oh my god, it was a clear uptrend, but somehow a pullback has really kicked us, has taken out our buys. Damn. All right, Harris, I see ya. If you want to take part of the donations, because that's what is happening now, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. Yeah, and if you don't get it, you can reach out to me via my Telegram. There's a link in the description for my Telegram if you need more help. Yeah, but you can use just the donation link in the description if you want me to trade for you guys. Reminder, it's not financial investment. It's purely for trading and learning purposes. So let us move on to our next. She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. I know she can't stand me, I'm fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I get my Grammy. Late night sex, she get 5 pennies. Couldn't hold it in, now she need a penny. Shorty a little patty. And she a real thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty because she mood swing. Every time I fuck with her rubber, I know it on her covers. And I get that on the cover, cause I don't get sent to. Oh, guys. Trevor, are you trying to snatch me from binary options? I feel like I'm happy here. But anyway, with trading, as long as you understand the charts, you have to, whenever you're switching, you just need to put in some little work. It's never that crazy. See me if you work. Okay, let us move on to our next. And I'm just anticipating only clear moves for everything to move. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Oh my god, guys, what were you doing when this song came out? You never have something that you never seen. Alright, we are locked in with our first attempt. Just ready for work. Na 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 na. Ali Kavit, good to have you. Good to have you. Don't be stuck here in the streets. I will never neglect you. Smooth, let's move. What can I say? Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby. Oh, Trevor, you are in school doing homework. All right. You didn't know even trading existed that time. When I see the situation, if you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come home. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying. Really? You knew about trading? I feel like this song came out either in 2016 or 17. Honestly, I didn't know about trading that time. My mind was so blank. But from the time I got to know that trading existed, guys, I've never looked back. That's one thing I'm proud of myself for doing. We're really catching on this selling momentum. The market tried to pull back. We're locked in, we're so locked in. We are left with one attempt. Let's see how it goes. Amazing Grace, good to have you. Rohan, good to see you guys. My strategy is pure price action. And the key factors that I look out for whenever I'm trading with pure price action is understanding market direction or trend, understanding market structure, because there it's going to help me to know if the market structure is bearish. I will take a bearish either continuation trade or a pullback trade based on the market structure. And I also look out for candlestick patterns. Hey, yo, hey, yo. Okay, guys, someone type congratulations. It has moved well for us. Ay, 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 ay. All right, Rahan, I got you. Yeah, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Amazing Grace, I don't get what you're asking. You could be on to something. No more wasting time. When I gave this in between us, right now. Wow, we already have a movement in our direction. Okay, guys, let me see you type. Oh, we have to attempt. Oh, you guys are crazy. Guys, I am free to be asked any trading question that you want to know. This is a trading assembly. Please do not beg. Yeah, I mean, you can learn trading and you'll be in a better place. Says Matt, good to have you. Good to have you. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using, Just Us. But I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. And let me see you type congratulations. You by my side and we got smoke in our lungs. Last night we wake up and then in Taylor, baby, let's go back to the flat. And then you make the 3 lines. It is Keotina channel indicator, and I'm using it with its default setting. Don't listen to our songs anymore. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Don't listen to my songs anymore. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Your song got me feeling like I'm no fear, but I think I'm falling. I'm not proud. Ready to time, girl, don't hit and run. No, it's so I think I'm running. When I kiss your lips, turn my heartbeat on. And then we lay up, kissing on the roof of the house, and then we make love right there on your best friend's couch. And then you say, love, this is what it's all about. So keep on kissing me now and put the record on. I don't want any sad songs anymore. I only want to hear love songs. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Don't want to sing that songs anymore. Only want to sing your song. This your songs got me feeling like I'm in love. 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 Yeah, you know, your songs got me feeling like don't want to hear sad songs. Oh my God. Andrew, I'm going to answer your question. I'm really going to answer your questions, but whenever I'm taking the donations, I don't really do so much detailed. Come tomorrow, guys, I'm going to share candlestick patterns in details, and I'll get to answer you. I will get to answer you, Andrew. I'm in love. And Michael, the blue lines you're seeing, it is Keotina channel indicator. Yeah. So let us move on to our next, guys. Let us move on to our next.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends.
She got a little bit of drama with her.
She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Some so dreaming riding in the bus. You was so much fun with her friends. Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights on your past 10. House party 10, turn up with your mans. Arguments all day.
And our heart is in. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Trusting no. But they still trust you, they still find you. Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Alois Amora is here, 8 p.m. UK time, guys. Mark your attendance early. Tomorrow I'll get into the details of my strategy. For now, let us be locked in and looking for more attempts.
Every lost girl I know is over 26.
All right.
Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You give your body to me, I body that like a savage. Give and take.
Damn, this is some crazy move against us.
People around you want more. BFF or yeah for sure.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Look how good you treated him. You could work like for him.
A pullback has taken us out, guys. It has taken us out, and I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay. First attempt has gone well. Really caught on some idea with buyers, sellers rather. We're going down in the DM. Down in the DM. Take that and you lose. Pretend. Drama is wow. A second attempt has gone well, guys. Let me hope you really locked in. Someone comment locked in. I want to see how many guys I locked in. It won't stop. While you're here, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream. If you're really enjoying and learning something, let me see you liking the stream. All right. Final attempt has moved well for us also. Someone type congratulations. It won't stop. Ooh. Joshua, good to have you. Khalid. Hey. Funny Gamma, good to have you. Good, it's always nice to have you guys. It's always nice. Mm. Eh. Time is everything. I'm seeing. Yeah, good to have you. Rufo, good to have you. All right, we move on to our next. Guys, tomorrow same time I'm here. Mark your attendance early. We get into the details of strategy and all that, guys. Yeah. Tell me how you're gonna spend your day, how you're gonna spend your Sunday. Hey, everything that I mean. Hey. All right. Structure is bearish. Let us see if we can get any move. It's like we are having a pullback from buyers. Okay. Oh my god. First attempt has gone against us. Let us refund and try again. We were taken out by a continuation, so let us move on to our next. Let us see. Oi. Best of me. My candles are 5 seconds. I am trading binary options. Yeah. So let us see if we can get an attempt. Ivy, try a new indicator. I'm actually thinking of, I'm thinking about it, so I don't know. Let us wait and see. We shall basically, yeah, we'll give it a new shot. So, beloved G, oh my god, I don't know if I've read that trail. That's a nice idea. So, it's a matter of time. We are yet to switch. Still be the same strategy. To be the same strategy, but maybe an indicator when it is a little bit changed. Nothing when I come down. Like a song. I just wanna be one on my. Do you even? Yes. Actually, whenever I'm trading, I back my indicator knowledge with my strategy, so I use both of them hand in hand. Alligator, guys. All right, let us look for a final attempt. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. All right, guys. We are locked in. Someone type congratulations. Douglas, good to have you. Good to have you. We are always here 8 p.m. UK time, so make sure you always mark your attendance early. Yeah, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Guys, the platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. Tomorrow, same time, we are going to be here 8 p.m. UK time. Someone asked for the title of the previous song, but I'm not so certain. I think it's either girls, one of your girls. I'm not certain, but it's always nice to have you here, guys. Yeah, we catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. If you have not subscribed, do. If you have not yet liked the stream, please do. Yeah, tomorrow come early so that we go in details with the strategy. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. And if you want to take part of the donations tomorrow, there's a donation link. Much love from here. Good night. I love you guys so much. Yeah, be consistent and always look at your charts. Good night. Bye.